This video is designed to show artists how to upload a piece of artwork to their Fine Art World websites. First, go to www.fineartworld.com and click the login link located in the yellow menu bar. Enter the username, password, then click Login. This should take you directly to your control panel welcome page. Click the Artwork Management tab located above. Click the Artwork folder. Fine Art World gives artists the ability to organize and view their artwork by all artwork, artwork type, and artwork category. Since we have not uploaded any artwork yet, the only option is all artwork. Click the All Artwork folder. Click the Add Artwork button. Go ahead and give your artwork a title. Click the Browse button to find the image file. Click Open. Select an artwork type. The artwork type does not actually show up on your Fine Art World site. It's strictly used to help the artist organize their artwork within their control panel. Select the artwork category. Originals, limited editions, or open editions. Originals refers to the actual piece of artwork. Limited editions refers to a series of reproduction prints that have a limited number of prints that can be made. Open editions refers to a series of reproduction prints that have no limit to the number of prints that can be made. You can enter an optional description. You also have the option to enter 3 keywords. Then select a style and subject. You can select up to 3 different words. In order to select multiple words, you have to hold down the Control key while you click the words you want to select on a PC. If you're on a Mac, you have to hold down the Apple or Command key while selecting your words. Now we need to enter the information for at least one size. We'll enter the price, height, length. If there's a SKU number, you have the option to enter a SKU number. Select a stock status. Enter a local shipping price. Enter the media. If there's an edition size, you can enter the edition size. Select a framing option. And enter a shipping international price. Fine Art World gives you the option to enter 3 different sizes. In this example, we'll only enter in one size. Fine Art World also gives you the option to enter in trade pricing for each size that you enter. The only people that can view the trade pricing are certified Fine Art World galleries. Finally, you have the option to either add or not add the piece of artwork to the site. Then click Save. Now let's click the View Community Site link located above to preview your changes. Roll over Artwork Viewing Rooms, select All Artwork. Now you'll see that the piece we uploaded is now on our community site. Click the Control Panel link up above to get back to your control panel. Now let's preview it on our independent site by clicking the View Independent Site link. Roll over Artwork Viewing Rooms, click All Artwork. and the piece of artwork has also been uploaded to our independent site. That's it for artwork. Please be sure to check out some of our other videos to learn more about FineArtWorld.com.